and thanks for coming back. Today we're going to be doing one of my favorite foods, and it's also really popular in Japan. It's called Katsudon. Katsudon is just another rice bowl dish, but this one's topped with a deep fried pork cutlet, and on top of that we've got some egg. It's pretty easy to make and only takes a little bit of time, so let's get started. For katsudon, you're going to need 6 tablespoons or 90 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons or 30 milliliters of mirin, 3 tablespoons or 45 milliliters of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon or 10 grams of sugar. I have Japanese parsley or Mitsuba here. You'll need 1 egg, which isn't in the picture, half an onion, and 1 deep fried pork cutlet or Tonkatsu. You can find my recipe in the link below. Alright, so take that half of an onion of yours and just thinly slice it like this. Next, let's move on to our Japanese parsley and just chop it up like so. And now we have our tonkatsu, and I've cut this up into thin slices just like this. Now you're going to add your water, your mirin, your soy sauce, and finally your sugar, and then turn the heat on. I'm going to make sure that everything's dissolved. And now that everything is dissolved and it's boiling, we're going to put our sliced onions right in there. And we're going to let our onions cook for about 2 or 3 minutes until they cook down and become transparent. Should be looking like this now. And now we're just going to lay our tonkatsu right on top like this. We're going to get 1 egg and we're going to beat that just like so. And then we're just gonna lay the egg right on top of the tonkatsu like this. Now you don't need this specific pan to make this dish. You just need any pan that's kind of small and also has a lid. We're gonna put our lid on and cook for about 3 or 4 minutes just to make sure that the eggs all cooked through. And after a couple of minutes, your tonkatsu should look like this. All we have to do is turn off our heat, let it cool down for a minute, and get our bowl of rice. And once we have our rice, we're just going to try and carefully put this on top, trying to keep it nice and neat, and there you go, just like this. You might need some practice putting it in the bowl, but you'll get it. Not going to waste any of my onions, let's put them all in there. And finally, we're just going to garnish with the Japanese parsley that we have. Just like so. And there you have it. This is Katsudon. Dig in and enjoy. And thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Japanese recipes coming soon.